and then give it to them, and they won't say shit because they're gonna see. Because no one's gonna go through the trouble of doing all that for nothing unless they're gonna stand behind the case. And in this case, once they see Ralphie is like, come on, man, don't give me what I need, what I should get, they'll give it to you. But you just gotta put that extra little effort, just to please the gods. Okay, yeah, I'll let you know. Because it's got to be on the Schedule C. Oh, you need to plug it in on a certain number, and I'll tell you more. So you relocate it. You already know this is high, and this is low. So then you do that. I put it towards your highest point. Has got to be here. So remove this, and then this is the best way. I love it when I do it like that, because then I can come in like this, slide it like that, and then make sure that it adheres good, and then pull up on it, making a nice drive-by. Pull up, and then pull up. So there's two directions that you're going on this way and this way. The highest points are going to be here and here. Everything else is a curvature. So take this in. See how it's filling that in?
Yeah.
It's finding these gaps. There's a gap right there. So I'll take right here. This is the X's. This has got to be my lower point. We might have to remove a little bit more there, depending on the fade, because we're going to go there. And then there. Now follow this. And you see the low spots?
Yeah.
You see how that's lower? There's just no way you're going to hit that all at once. Sometimes. You see that?
Yeah.
Because I'm following this, and I'm following that, and then to just flatten this out so you don't have to sand. Clean it up. Find these pockets right here, like this, you know. This you clean the chingadera, the putty knife, by plugging into all these little pores. Start closing those motherfuckers down. This is not video friendly, huh, this conversation?
Nah, it's fine.
Okay, so mira. Very. These are witness marks. So the distance from here to here, we're gonna do that over there. This is where it begins to turn, where it gives me that curvature. Here's another witness mark. So I'm gonna make these measurements. I'm gonna replicate over there, and I'm gonna match them to this board right here, to this one right here, and this is the beginning of this. And then my final one will be this guy right here. Or you can have as many. I'm gonna put two more right here. Right here, you see that? That's where that's where I know where I'm lined up. So I'm gonna come back and reference this. Okay, so we're gonna go over there. We're gonna flip this. You're doing the reverse of this. Damn. That's a lot.
Oh,
Mira, we did make it curvy. Es que este era, mira,
Lo que le falta, ¿no?
sí, porque mira, es que el de allá lo curveamos mucho.